We will study about the different type of hormones. Auxin help in cell enlargement and cell differentiation. Differentiation means to differentiate the different parts of the cell, and they help also in the fruit growth, and they control the response toward the light and the gravity. In other word, you can say phototropic. Phototropic means response toward the light, and geotropic means response toward the gravity. Auxin is made by the cell at the tip of the stem and the roots, means the cells which are present at the tips. That is a site of synthesis of the auxin. Auxin move away from the light and toward the gravity, means then auxin move away from the site of the synthesis. Auxin has opposite effect on the growth of stem as well as roots, and auxin speed up the growth in the stem but slow in the roots. And synthetic auxin, which are applied in the agriculture and the horticulture, they actually promote the growth in the agriculture and the horticulture. Next is gibberellins. Gibberellins are the plant hormones. They also help in cell enlargement and cell differentiation, but in the presence of auxin. Gibberellins help in breaking dormancy, means they break up the dormancy in the seeds as well as in the buds, and they promote the growth in the fruit. And gibberellins hormone involved in shoot extension. Gibberellins stimulate elongation of shoot, means they help in shoot to elongate. Next is cytokinesis. Cytokinesis is also a plant hormone. They promote cell division, means they allow the cell to divide. Cytokinesis also help in breaking dormancy period of seed as well as bud. Dormancy is actually inactive period, and they also delay the aging of the leaves. Cytokinesis promote the opening of the stomata. You all know stomata is for the exchange of gases, and they also promote the fruit growth. Next is abscisic acid. Abscisic acid is a growth inhibitor, and it promote the dormancy. It promote the dormancy and above to break the dormancy. Clear? And it promote the closing of the stomata. Abscisic acid